In Lima during the summer months where the weather and conditions are almost perfect, it spikes the motivation for runs or even long walks. And today we're doing a long walk from Barranco to Cristo del Pacifico.
Okay, cuss at it, okay, bitch at it, okay, hustle at it, okay, drip at it, okay, Harlem boy, bitch I at it, okay.
So today I'm joined by another brother that's also in the travel space, International Zoe. He's out here in Lima for a little bit, so.
I mean, it's dope enough to say.
Yeah.
But they changed everything else down there.
We link up on these morning walks, explore parts of the Malecón here in Lima, and it's actually just a good time to talk shop and get some exercise in. For this morning's walk, we actually didn't have a destination planned. We just knew we were walking to the historic district just to walk around and see some of the nice artwork, other things, just a different vibe from the other direction we normally walk. As we left the Barranco neighborhood and entered the area of Chorrillos, you can notice a little change in the surroundings.
We got the fruit right by the beach here.
And along the way, we discovered a few new areas we didn't know about. This Malecón restaurant right here. These ladies making, looks like amazing fish dish. Reminds me of, you know, the Caribbean, African food.
Yeah, they got out here. Everybody's selling stuff. Okay. All right, so we're gonna walk down here. I don't know what this beach is actually, but it's a whole. Oh, damn, they got some fresh fish right there. Nice. And these are probably the local fishermen out there, fresh catches of the day. But we'll walk down. What we're going to do is we're going to try to walk down and then head up at some point, and they have Christ the Redeemer statue up here somewhere. So we're going to try to film that along our morning walk. Just decided to here with International Zoe. We just decided we're going to walk this way and try to see something new. What these guys selling? They taking us on a trip. I ain't know either. ¿A dónde? ¿A la cruz? ¿Es en isla o qué? Ah, okay. Okay. Hoy no, pero otra vez. So yeah, this is let's walk over here and film this fish right quick. This is old school fish market, it looks like. These guys are they got all the fish out on display. Never even heard of this little area. We'll walk through just to get a quick glimpse of what's on display here. Nice. That's what it looks like. Obelisk up there on that hill. And we might be able to get Christ the Redeemer. Should be over here somewhere, I'm thinking. What's that?
My filter. Walk along the coastline and we walk down here. Me and my man Tate, man. Hanging out with him, this guy's real athletic.
Gotta be, man. Gotta keep that fitness level.
So we could go back this way or we could go right up to there. You know, looks like. Got two options on the steps.
I seen him. He said he got hit you up for money?
This is the one that Peruvians pray to for money.
Ah, okay.
It was a brother I saw on the beach dressed like this. He was from Colombia. Like a white lady saw me and she called me the saint. She was like, oh my God. And the shorty Cammy was laughing because she knows that's the saint they pray to for money.
Nice.
I don't remember what the name was, but they prayed to him for good fortune.
Regardless of the religion, I always have an immense amount of respect and admiration for the time and effort that goes into a lot of these shrines. The artwork and attention to detail is inspirational.
We did some real walking today, boy. But hey, we've been blessed with good health so far, so why not? A lot of people will hit you up.
Yo, how was it out there? Take a look at the video. Don't it look like I'm having fun?
I got the cannons up here. Yeah, there's definitely a lot more than it would appear to be from down on the other side. That cliff right there, that looks like something out of National Geographic or something. We still gotta make our walk our way down there. And they got Christ the Redeemer right there. They got it out, laid out very nicely here, so it's easy walk.
This area is Morro Solar, and it's a historic site. It had battlefields from the War of the Pacific from 1879 to 1883.
Alright, we're making it. Almost there. It is, man. It's not exactly a straightforward walk. It's not the easiest, but it's doable, especially on a day like today. The weather is acceptable. I'm not dripping with sweat, so that's a good sign. But yeah, there's people up here already. It looks like some people might have taken a tour bus. I know it's a popular route for bikers as well. Although this lady there looked like she probably ran up here. Let's see.
Cristo del Pacifico, standing at 37 meters or 121 feet tall, makes it one of the tallest statues in Peru. Unveiled in 2011, the statue was a joint project between the Peruvian government and a Brazilian company.
Put the drone here, and then we'll lift off. Boom.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I got a lot more content coming soon.